here are some questions about timetables. So we have a timetable here. It notes the buses that go from Pinley all the way to Pooting. And so this is the first bus, the first column there, second, third, etc. Okay, so let's answer some of these questions. I need to be in Henby by 11:55. What's the latest bus I can catch from Pinley? Well, let's look at all the buses that stop at Henby. So this one, this one, this one, and those three. Now, we need to be there by 11:55. So the first bus gets us in at 7:43, so that would be fine. Second one at 9:52, so that would be fine. Third one into Henby gets in at 12:01. Well, that's too late. So they would need to therefore get the second bus. So we need to get the 8:05 bus, which gets them at 9:52. So they've got a bit of a wait in Henby. Right, looking at the next question, they're basically saying which of the two buses is quicker between Pinley and Pooting. So the first of those two buses, the 14:05, goes at 14:05 and gets into Pooting at 16:18. And the last bus here is 15:35 and gets into Pooting at 17:30. So the first bus, let's see how long that takes. Well, it's at 14:05, so 1 hour to 15:05, 2 hours to 16:05, and then it's 13 minutes from 16:05 to 16:18, so that is 2 hours, 13 minutes. And the other one, well, that's at 15:35, well, 1 hour to 16:35, 2 hours to 17:35, well, that's 5 minutes too much. So take 5 minutes off 2 hours would be 1 hour, 55 minutes. And the difference between them would be, well, if I start at 1 hour, 55 minutes, add on 5 to 2 hours, then add on another 13, I get 18 minutes. So the 15:35 is 18 minutes quicker. Okay, here's some more questions. How long does it take the 13:26 Neston bus to go from Neston to Henby? So let's find the 13:26 bus from Neston. So there's Neston. Let's go across until I can find 13:26. So there it is, 13:26. That's when I start. And here's Henby on that bus, 14:22. So I'm just going to split that up into 3 bits, into 3 times. So 13:26, then we have 1400. Okay, so between 13:26 and 1400 is 34 minutes, and between 1400 and 14:22 is 22 minutes. So I'm going to do 34 plus 22 is 56 minutes. Right, how many buses go from Belcott to Winton? So let's find Belcott. Here's Belcott. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4 buses for Belcott. We've got to see which ones go to Wilton. So this bus here, yes, it goes to Wilton, so that's 1. This bus, no, it doesn't go, so we're still at 1. This bus is from Belcott. Does it go to Wilton? Yes. And the last bus, does that go to Wilton as well? Yeah, it gets in just before 5 o'clock. So the answer to that one is there are 3 buses. Lastly, what time do I get into Pooting if I catch the bus from Belcott at 8:35? So again, let's find Belcott, get to 8:35, and then go down that column until we get to Pooting. So the answer to that one is 10:12. Now at Neston at 16:25. So here's 16:25 here, that's Neston, all the way across until I get 16:25, and go down the column till I get to Pooting, which is the last one, so that's 17:30.